go. First quarter. Championship game, Inter Barangay. Suluan versus Giwa. Suluan versus Barangay 8. Championship game. Fiesta, Giwan. Loyola. Chistone, let's up with the left hand. Yes, Porto. Loyola, 2 points. Rejang to Acosta. Agaw ni Rejang, number 25 ang 8. To Daksa. Di center. Wala. Number 26 of Suluan. So Chistone.
Paso Garado.
Villegas. Garado. Domingoy. Umikot kamera. Wala. Malakas.
Segment 5 seconds. Here comes Rejang.
Yes. Rejang. Villegas.
Paso Garado. Back to Villegas. Villegas passes. Shot.
Wala. Naman by Loyola. So brother Loyola. Tumira ng Trace. Yes. Points Loyola. Rejang. To Acosta.
Daksa.
Daksa.
Shot clock down to 15. To number 30. Shot.
Rebound kay Mingoy.
Rebound by Mingoy. To Jerome Loyola. Pass to Justine Loyola. Pass to Justine Loyola.
Ay, pag nireklamo!
Pass by Justine Loyola.
Ay Loyola. Follow up. Rejang. To Big Rejang.
Number 5 Rejang. Last touch ng Barangay Suluan.
Rejang.
Rejang.
What?
To Little Rejang.
5 on the shot clock.
5. Basket.
Okay. Usama Santos.
Sakalis.
Justine
Loyola.
Loyola. Justine Loyola.
Long 3. Daksa.
Daksa.
Mabawi.
Wala.
Wala.
Rebound by number 26 Garado. Pass to Mingoy. Here comes Mingoy. Pansang.
Malas ang kay Mingoy. Kasama pang foul. Score 4-12. Favor of Suluan.
For a possible 3-point play opportunity.
Bonus free throw. Wala. Rebound by Rejang.
Rebound by number 5 Rejang. Here comes Rejang. Takes out.
Little
Number 25
Rejang.
Rejang. Flies inside. Layup is shot. Rebound by Loyola. Pass to Mingoy. Here comes Mingoy. Mingoy. Pass to Garado.
Yes. Time out. Barangay Onso. Score 14. Barangay Suluan 4. Shoutout kay Consela Brugar. Nanonood ng championship kasama si Vice Mayor Kabakaba. Back to the ball game. Rejang.
Here comes number 25 Rejang.
To Daksa.
Pass to Daksa. Daksa. Yes.
Yes.
Another hit by
Drop
Daksa.
kay Daksa. Loyola. Meron naman.
Drives, kicks out, to Jerome Loyola. Shot clock down to 15. 10 on the shot clock. Garado.
Garado, 2 points. Rejang.
Rejang, takes out to Daksa, back to Rejang.
To Rejang.
Hicks.
Meron ng tres.
Shot
Wala.
clock down to 15. Here comes number 5 Rejang.
Rejang from the
Loyola
center.
cover shot. Rebound.
Rebound by Panda. May foul.
There's a foul.
Panda, foul.
Foul on number
Substitution. Daksa out. Acosta in.
Evans Villegas.
Villegas. Third drop from the center. Yes.
Villegas.
Villegas. Piansa. Rejang.
Rejang, pass to
Pasto.
Brother Rejang.
Brother Rejang.
Drives. Foul at Soto.
Foul. Mingoy.
Foul number 22, Mingo, hit to the hand, 2 shots. Free throw.
Second throw by Rejang, wala pa rin. By Juston Loyola.
Juston Loyola, drives in. The step back, he's in. Acosta,
Outplay.
Acosta.
Juston
Juston Loyola for 3.
Yes. Apat na yan.
Tapos, three-quarter of this ball game.
Rejang.
Here comes Rejang against Juston Loyola. Rejang drives inside. Fadeaway shot is good.
Rejang. Naman sa Loyola.
Loyola again. Juston Loyola.
Ana.
Number 21 to number 18 Acosta. Number 13.
Sumagi.
Takes out. Rejang for 3.
Yes. Bawi.
Rejang for 3. Takes out again. Juston Loyola back to Villegas. Juston Loyola drives in. Shot clock down to 20 seconds. Extends for number 25.
Alon. Basket. Time out. Score 15-21 in favor of Suluan.
Villegas,
Grado.
Grado, back to Grado.
Foul.
There's a whistle. There's a foul. Foul on number 5. Rejang.
Rejang.
That's good.
First shot is good. Second throw.
Second throw is good.
Skip again.
And 2 by number 26, Grado. 3 minutes remaining play time. Here comes Rejang. Rejang again. Shot clock down to 15. Rejang. Taylor, basket. What a
Rejang.
move by Rejang.
Villegas.
Villegas, pass to Grado.
Garado.
Back to Villegas.
Yes.
And Jerome.
Domingo.
Shot clock down to 20 seconds. Yes.
Nakalabaw si Minggoy.
What a move by Mingo.
Rejang. Tumira ng 3.
Rejang for 3, 2 step. Battle for the rebound. Takes up by Jerome. Pass to Justino. Takes out to Mingo. Mingo. Nice play between Mingo and Justino Loyola. Rejang takes out to Acosta. Shot clock down to 15.
Ton.
Eight on the shot clock.
Kinatoy, batter lang, ayun ang sundot.
5 on the shot clock. What a move by Rejang. Back to back. Basket by Rejang, number 25.
Pasik, buligi dito, buligi.
Jerome pass to Mingo. Shot clock down to 10 seconds. Number 21. What a block.
Substitution. Rejang out. Isa in.
Acosta. To Rejang. Moses the under of the ball. Takes up by Grado. Here comes Grado. To Villegas. Shot. Here comes Dagsa. Grado. Dagsa. Takes up by Fonda. To Fonda. Foul. And one.
Kasama pang foul.
Basket time.
Substitution. Garado out. Loyola in.
Fonda is in a play the line for a possible 3-point play opportunity.
Bonus free throw. Bayo Panda.
Bonus free
Yes.
throw is
Complete.
basket. Shot clock down to 15. Jerome Loyola for 2. Yes. Jerome Loyola for
3 points.
3.
Maribahel! Iwan!
Bounce out, chance inside. Stands by number 12. Tigeron. Back to Justone. Justone. Yes! Justone.
Brother to brother. 3 points.
Rejang. Basket.
Basket. Jang.
15 seconds.
15, oras, 15.
15 seconds
10
remaining
seconds.
for the first quarter.
5 seconds.
Basket.
Basket is
Shot is counted.
counted.
That's the end of first quarter. Score 24-36.
Running score 36. Barangay Saluan 24. Barangay 8.
That's the end of first quarter.